renting out dirty tents. In this video, we're going to show you how we keep our tents clean as an equipment rental business. So your tents can go from looking like this to this. And we'll review the cleaning solution that makes this all possible. So stay tuned and watch until the end to see how you could keep your tents cleaned. To get started, you're actually going to need quite a number of items. And the first item you'll need is a cleaning solution. We personally use Blitz mildew remover for tents. Now this, you can find it at RSS distributors for about $55.60 for 4 of these bottles. And then you're going to need towels, a bucket of water, gloves, a soft brush, and lastly, a spray bottle. Now, the cleaning time of your tent actually depends on 2 things. One is the size of your tent top, and the second is how filthy is your tent. Typically, if it is filthier, it will take longer, and if your tent top is bigger, it will also take longer as well. For us, it typically takes about 3 to 4 hours to clean a 20 by 20 that is really filthy.
Want to know how you could better operate the business or learn how to expand the business? Please check out the Ultimate Checklist. It is completely free and the link is in the description below.
So before we begin, you actually need to prepare your solution. Now, we already have it pre-prepared right here. However, it is typically a 1:7 ratio. So you would put 1 quart of Blitz mildew remover to 7 quarts of water. Now, when working with chemicals and cleaning solutions, you have to remember to use it safely. So Blitz is a chlorine-based cleaning solution that has a shelf life of up to 5 years. However, since it is a chlorine solution, you do have to remember that it will bleach your clothing, so you'll just have to wear clothes that you kind of may not care much about. All right, so without further ado, let's get started.
It's not necessary, but if you would like, you can also move your tent top outside into the sun so that whenever you are spraying the Blitz solution, it is more effective for mildew stains. So the ultraviolet lights from the sun actually helps speed up the process along with the chemicals within the Blitz mildew remover. The first step of this process is to actually use your spray bottle to cover the entire tent top with the solution. Now that the tent top is completely covered with the cleaning solution, we're going to put on a timer for about 15 to 20 minutes. For this one, I'm going to set it at 15 just because our tent top is not that dirty currently.
15 minutes later.
Once you finish scrubbing your entire tent top, you're then going to set on another timer for 5 minutes. And this is just so that we could let the solution sit while it's still mixed up with all of the dirt, so that it could still break down some more dirt if necessary. If you're looking to start a business, Zen Business is here to help you. All from one site, you're able to get your LLC, to get your EIN, and so many more important items that are necessary when starting a business. It was sponsored by Mark Cuban, so check out the link in the description to see how you could start your business with Zen Business. Once your Blitz cleaning solution has sat there for 5 more additional minutes, you'll then begin to rinse off the solution with clean water and then dry it with a towel. Now, alternatively, if you're unable to rinse and dry the tent top just because the tent top is so big, you could also opt in to actually mopping it instead. You'll just need to make sure that the mop is clean and that you're using clean water.
Before we started using Blitz, we used to use Simple Green, just kind of going the simple way, just kind of spraying it whenever we needed it and just kind of wiping it down. Now that we use Blitz, it's a whole process to it. I mean, I think it works perfect as long as you follow the instructions on the bottle, and I think everything should turn out fine. We usually clean our tent tops depending on the weather that we are going to get that week. Sometimes we get the rain. When it rains, we usually tend to always clean them just because they build all that rain. And then our drivers usually fold it with the rain on top of it, of course, because it's not going to dry up. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's not, but either way it goes. Without rain, just sunshine all day, I think at least you should clean them probably like once a month. That's my ideal, but I think just depending on the weather, that's how the way you're supposed to go about it. All right, Blitz, I'm gonna always rate it a number 8. So the reason I give it an A is just because it's a great solution, great product, but just the process of getting it ready and all that, that's what brings it down to an 8 instead of a 10.
And that's how you clean a tent liner. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like it, please click this playlist button up here. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so that we could bring you more videos. Thank you.